In the next series, I'm going to discuss all the possible shapes that you can make on the guitar as far as intervals go. And by a shape, I mean if you put your finger somewhere on the guitar, you'll know a pattern where you can find that next interval. So, for example, an octave, you would go from the low E string down 2 strings and up 2 frets. So you'd know that you could always find an octave from the low E string by starting here, down 2 strings, and up 2 frets to that note. Now, since the guitar isn't set up so that all the strings are all 5 frets above each other, notice that when you get to the G string there, it's the 4th fret. So this set is slightly offset from one another. Now, if you do this interval shape of down 2 strings and up 2 frets, we get to the octave. It'll work for the A string to the G string. But if you land on or cross over the B string, you're going to have to raise up that interval by 1 fret to compensate for the fact that there's only 4 frets distance between these 2 strings, the G string and the B string. So here, if we start from the D string and go down 2 strings and up 2 frets, we're going to fall 1 note short of the octave. The same thing happens going from the G string to the high E string. If we go down 2 strings and up 2 frets, we fall 1 short because we crossed over the B string. So we have to raise it up 1 fret. So just remember, if you land on or you cross over the B string, you're going to have to raise that interval shape by 1 fret.